I didn't have 1 million subscribers, I didn't have expensive equipment, but one video changed everything and made me $100,000. For months I was posting videos that barely crossed 1,000 views. I almost quit, but then I realized something. I stopped guessing and started studying. I researched. What titles make people curious? What thumbnails make people click? What topics trigger emotion? What keeps people watching till the end? Then I used AI. AI helped me write a powerful script, generate cinematic visuals, create background music, design a high-converting thumbnail, optimize my title and description. The first 5 seconds had to be perfect. Instead of saying, "Hey guys, welcome back," the video started with, "I lost everything, and this is how I built it back with AI." People stayed. Views started climbing. 10,000, 50,000, 200,000, 1 million, 5 million. When people watch till the end, YouTube pushes the video harder. The algorithm rewards retention. The video was everywhere. Comments, shares, reposts. Most people think YouTube money only comes from ads. That's small thinking. Here's how it really happened. $18,000 from AdSense, $40,000 brand sponsorship, $22,000 affiliate commissions, $20,000 from selling my digital product. Total, $100,000, all from one viral moment. It wasn't luck, it was leverage. AI made production fast. Strategy made it clickable. Emotion made it shareable. Preparation made it profitable. One video can change your life, but only if you stop posting randomly and start creating intentionally.